Visa gift card. How to use Visa gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use your Visa gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have a Visa gift card and that you would like to actually use it but you don't know how you are able to use it, so first of all there's a distinctive thing you have to understand. If I come to this website and here you can see using a Visa gift card, the way that you can use a Visa gift card is you should not select. It depends upon the stores that accept a Visa card, so it doesn't have to be a credit or debit card. As long as they receive and they accept a Visa card, maybe you're shopping on Amazon and if Amazon accepts a Visa card, or maybe you're shopping on eBay and other websites and they accept Visa card, you can select that as a payment method and then enter your 16-digit code. So here you can see, for an online checkout, you'll enter your Visa gift card 16-digit number, expiration date and CVV in the appropriate form field. So all you have to do is, depending upon the website that you are using your card on, you plan to use your card on, you can select your Visa card as a payment method, not MasterCard, Visa card, and then enter the code. You should not select the option called add gift card, because if you do that, that's not going to work. You have to select it as a Visa card normally as you would, and then just make sure to enter your 16-digit number, and then from there you can check out using that card. This way you can actually use a Visa gift card online wherever Visa is accepted. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.